Howdy YouTube fans. I'm going to do a quick, real quick little review on the, I'm going to show you how to get, how to clean up your Windows based PC, and I'm going to show you how to do it free of charge. The software we're going to use does use its freeware, and you can leave a donation to these people if you'd like to. Now I've got the two of the main programs here separately. If you see my cursor, the registry cleaner and the registry defragger, and then this one right here, the last program, is called the cleaner, and it's actually called Eusing, and I'm going to spell that for you so you can find it if you go on some of them download sites, or you want to just do a search on Google. Here's how you spell it. It's EUSING, cleaner. Okay, and then download that for free. Then you open it up like this, and right in here, let's go ahead and make this full screen. I can't do that yet. Basically, it asks for a registration code, but you just click on this center, get a little closer, you click on this center selection here to skip, and then you basically have free access. Up along this side up here, first of all, you have, let me see if I can get this close enough for you to see here. You have, up in this corner, you have the cleaner, which will clean your software, clean out your cookies and all that out of your browser, all that stuff. It'll empty your, should empty your, you know, your saved files and all that stuff. I wish I could get that to do a little better on the next one is the registry cleaner. That's actually the registry maintenance. It'll go through, find any problems with your registry. And then the next one is a registry defragger, and that will compress your registry after you've cleaned it. And when you do a registry defrag, then you'll have to reboot your PC after that. These others you don't have to. And then tools, let's see, with tools you get, you can go in and look at your startup commands on your PC. This is the startup programs, and you can click any of these to shut them off or whatever if you want to kill a program that's in your current startup configuration. Let's see, index.dat viewer, I don't know what the hell that is. And you can back up your registry and and you can run the Windows backup program from within here. So first of all, let's do a backup full registry. It comes out here and does this. File name, I'm just going to put X in there right now. What I normally do is put the whole date in there. Oops, it auto-filled. So I'm just going to say Zen. Okay, and then it's backing up the registry. So that's the first thing we do is back up the registry. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to select the cleaner. So then, let's see, cleaner, if you come, let me back up here, way down here on the right hand corner down here, it says test and clean. So I would click clean, and that would clean mine out. You have to take this, you've got all kinds of settings here that you can set. This is the one that come pre-selected. You've got recently typed URL, cookies. This is basically Internet Explorer cleaning. Then you've got a whole section here on Windows, memory dumps, clipboard, temp files, recycle bin, all this stuff. So let's do recycle bin, temp files, memory dumps. We don't need those. Windows log files, I'll leave those. Okay, and you can do Netscape, Opera, and Mozilla. Anyway, that gives you a pretty good idea. But let's go ahead and clean. Okay, so I select that, and it comes up. It says, "Are you sure you want to clean the selected items?" I'm going to say OK. And there it goes. And you can see up the top of the screen the green bar going across the very top up there. That's the current progress. Okay. Back out here a little bit. Alright, so it's done. It says finished right here. I just have to take my word for it. And over here I'll do registry, and this does registry clean. This will find any problems. For you come down here in this corner down here again on the right hand corner. First thing you do is you do the scan, and that will go out, and you see the green bar going across the screen again. And this is scanning my registry for problems. And this is typically what slows your PC down when you have a bunch of problems in your registry. So this registry program, the second one down over here on the right, the second one that says registry, that is the one you're going to find most helpful to speed up your PC and to fix problems that you're having. You know, sometimes your programs don't run right, or like for instance, before I got a cleaner for this, I have an ATI video card on this laptop. This laptop, I have a regular screen hooked up to it right now, and for some reason, after using the thing for a year or so, that ATI maintenance program, you can click to open to set up all the settings on the video card on the laptop. All kinds of stuff, interlacing and the resolution, how many monitors you got, you know, your DirectX settings and all that crap. For some reason, after about a year of using the computer, that icon that was my only access point to those settings disappeared, and I never could get it to come back. So I couldn't view or change any of the settings on any of my video card configuration. So it was running a registry cleaner like this program that, after running it and rebooting my machine, guess what? It was back. And it had been missing for 6 or 8 months. I hadn't been able to access it, and then after running a cleaner similar to this, I had PC Tools. This is very similar to PC Tools, except this version is free. PC Tools cost you about $30 every year. And that's what I started with, and then I found this free version. And that's what I'm running this little video here to show you, because this will save you some money. I recommend that you download it and try it, and if you like it, you know, go ahead and donate $10 so that they can continue to you know, update the product. And, you know, if you're going to use it, $10, they're saving you a lot of money, because like I said, this thing is pretty much identical to the PC Tools product. And it's like I said, it's $30 a year. So, and you've got pretty much all the tools that comes with that in this for free. So my problem is I don't have a PayPal account, which I think is the best way to do a donation to one of them places. But I'm going to take care of that though, because I do want to donate to this. Like I say, I do appreciate them saving me some money, and so I'm passing this along to you folks to help you out. This has taken quite a while here, as you can see, but that green thing is moving along the bar, up along the top here. It's about 75% done right now, 80% maybe. Okay, and you can see it's found several errors here. This is just for today, because when I first ran this, when I first downloaded it, because I didn't update my PC Tools, it ran out in July, and I had not renewed the $30. You know, I said, I'm not pay $30 a freaking year. If I pay $30, you know, I expect to own the dang software. And so they were hitting me up for another fee for another $30. And anyway, so I didn't do it. I thought, well, I'll wait 2 or 3 months and, you know, just let a few errors pile up and then I'll renew it. But anyway, then I found this. But when I first ran this a couple days ago, it found 500 registry errors, And my machine was running like crap, and this took care of it real good. I haven't had any trouble with it. I'm running Windows XP on this machine, but this program will also work on Vista, and I believe Windows 7 is fine for it too. But you can check that when you download it to make sure, but it works with all the current versions of Windows. So anyway, here's the problems it found: non-existent files and folders, and it gives you the location. It found some non-existent MRUs, whatever those are. But it, like I say, I had 500 errors on here when I first ran it. So this is just from today's use. You can see you accumulate registry problems. This thing is much more. Now you go down here to the right, down here in this right corner again. If you see my cursor, down here where it says Fix Errors, click on that, and boom, they're gone. So then you'd come up here, and the next selection is defrag, and you could defrag. I'm not going to do that, but you defrag, and then after you defrag, that'll compress your registry, and then you reboot your PC, and you should be pretty well cleaned up. But anyway, that's as far as I'm going to show. This video is over 10 minutes long now, but that's the Eusing Cleaner 2.0, and that's spelled again EUSING. EUSING, and you should be able to find it out there on most of the freeware shareware sites. But if not, let me see if I check for updates here. Let me see here what happens. Check for updates. Go to a website. Yeah, eusing.com is what it is. www.eusing.com, and that's where I got it from. Then you'd go out here on this site and you'd click up here on products, okay, and then down here Eusing Cleaner, which is this one right here. Eusing Cleaner, that's the one you're going to want, and that has all three of the, it says price $0, product free, release date is 7/19 of 2011. So this is a pretty good tip. And then you just click right over here to download it right there. Anyway, that's a pretty good tip because most of these programs cost money. This is the best one I know of for free. Most of these are going to run you $30 to $50. Like I say, that PC Tools is almost it's called Registry Mechanic, I think it is, and it costs you $30 a year every year. So this is a pretty good deal. Anyway, this is Brian signing out. Thanks for watching.